In this lecture, we're going to show how to create orthographic views. So we have opened this part, then you can download. And now we go to this icon, new. And here we have some arrow. Let's click on this arrow. And here we have option, make drawing from part assembly. So let's click on this. Now we choose here drawing. Here we have to choose our sheet format. Let's go browse and let's go with a landscape and OK. And now if we want to insert our part on the drawing sheet and if we want to create orthographic views, we have two options how we can do this. We can go here to view layout and here we have model view. So let's click on model view and now we have this part, open documents part. So let's double click on it and now we have some options here. We can create a front view, we can create top view, we can insert bottom view, right view, left view, isometric view, and here we have more views, dimetric, trimetric, and current model view. So let's insert front view. So just drag your mouse here and now you can place your view here. And this is now your base view. Now if you drag your mouse up, automatically you have top view. So you can just click on it and that's it. If you go right, you have right view. If you go left, you have left view. If you go down, you have bottom view. And if you go to side here, you have isometric view. And you can just click on it. And OK. And now if you click on the front view, base view, and try to drag it, you see that all views are connected. So the base view is the first view we inserted into drawing file. And other views are linked to our base view, except for the isometric view. If we move isometric view, we see only isometric view is moved. If we move right view, we see that we can't move right view up and down because it's linked to our base view. We have to move our base view. And those views that we have created are orthographic views. Those are standard views. Also, we have another option how we can create our views. But first, let's delete those views. We can click on this one and now we can just press on the keyboard delete. And yes. And now only right view was deleted. But also we can right click on our view and delete here. If you want to delete all, you can select all and press delete. Yes, all. Here we have view palette. Let's click on the view palette and here you have parts that are opened. So we have open now only part document. And here down we have a different view of this part. So also we have front view. We can insert front view. And now we can create a top view, bottom view, and so on. Let's click escape. Let's go to view palette and we can insert top view separately like this. And now we only have front view and top view. We also have isometric view, dimetric view, trimetric view, and current view. This is the view of the model in the part document file. So those are two ways how you can insert your views on the drawing sheet.